Hi, I'm Brad Connors. I represent iWealth Private Client Group, and I just wanted to bring a couple tips for you today that I think can provide value for your situation. There's a couple things that we all should be considering right now. We've been working on these strategies with our current clients and thought that this might add some value to you. First of all, adding in long-term money. Nobody knows where this market will bottom out. We were at around Dow 30,000, we went down to 19, we're at 23. Where's it gonna end? However, we know that new all-time highs are in our future. They always have been, it's happened 22 straight times. So if you have long-term assets, money to invest, you should at least consider putting some to work here. And then put together a plan to continue to put some in over time. Obviously, if you have a 401k or some type of plan like that, be buying every paycheck. Totally makes sense. Review your risk. When times of uncertainty happen, our risk appetite changes. We've seen it in our office with our clients. If there is some risk appetite change on your own behalf, make sure you're accessing it and make some adjustments to your portfolio if it's warranted. At least explore that. Tax loss harvesting. If you have money invested, like I do, and the things have gone down over the last couple months, you should take a look at tax loss harvesting. If it's a non-qualified account, you can sell some of those assets that are down, move into a different position, and capitalize on the losses. Those carry over on your tax form, and obviously you need to work with your CPA on this strategy, but it's something that you should consider. Do not dollar cost average out of the market to give yourself income. Too many people have set themselves up to fail, and here's what I mean. When you sell shares on sale, they never are there to come back again. If you're taking $2,000 a month out of an account to live on, and those shares used to be at $100 a share and now they're $70, you're selling more shares. That's called sequence of returns, and it doesn't work well in a down market. Look at your strategy, assess your plan, and make sure you have things put in place so you're not dollar cost averaging out of the market. If you're a business owner, absolutely work with your banker, your CPA, your financial advisor. Look at PPP loans, these SBA loans that are forgiven. If you've been impacted at all by this COVID-19, you need to take a look at the PPP loans and anything else that's out there. Every small business owner needs to be accessing this, so if you haven't, get into that and take a look at it. Roth conversions. There's a great time right now to be doing Roth conversions. Here's what I mean. If you had $500,000 in an IRA account, you can convert as little as $1 up to as much as you want into a Roth conversion. When you convert it, it becomes taxable today. But think about this. If it's a $500,000 account, maybe it used to be at $600 or $650. If you converted $50,000 today at a lower price per share on your investments, and it grows tax-free. You have to work with your CPA on this as well. You have to look at what tax brackets you're in. If you're under Medicare, if you're getting Social Security, there's a lot of things involved, but Roth conversions work really, really well. So in recap, here's what you need to do. You need to take a look at putting together a plan to put some money to work if you have long-term dollars. You have to take a look at your current risk situation and see if that needs to be amended or changed. Tax loss harvesting should be looked at. Don't dollar cost average out of the market. If you're a business owner, look at the PPP and SBA loans that are out there. Roth conversion should be considered. And finally, if there's a second opinion that's needed, feel free to reach out. We here at iWealth are here to serve you and take care of you. And we have many people that have been calling asking about second opinions. It's a 15-minute phone call. Let's just get on the phone and just talk and see if there's anything that we can do to help you with your situation. At the very least, I hope this information gives you something to think about to work on your own situation and your own financials. All right? Thanks a lot. God bless. Take care.